guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few of my fashion items. This is an entire rack actually. These are the things that I am taking on my trip with me to Guyana, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to share with you guys where I get things from, what pieces am I actually taking, and things like that. So this is the video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I did pick up a lot of these clothes, not all at one time, but throughout the year and throughout like the first couple months of summertime, just because if I bought these all at one time I would literally go broke. So this is just kind of like a collection. Some of the things that I have in here were from last year and some of them are brand new, so I'm gonna go ahead and share them with you guys now. So if you'd like to see, please do continue watching. So for me, a lot of my style inspiration comes from Pinterest, Instagram, of course, just looking at other bloggers. Mainly my main source of inspiration is from Pinterest. I will look up like OOTDs, summer OOTDs, I'll go through those long lists until I find something that I like, and then I go out and try to find those pieces. A lot of what I've been doing, and this might not be the best way to see that because these are summer pieces and I'm using them for like photo shoots and different things like that, but my style is very basic, very minimal. T-shirt and jeans pretty much, and then I'll pick a quick dress and then kind of put it together. So what I've been doing a lot recently is really trying to pick up dresses, things that are like one-stop shop, especially if you're traveling. This is a great tip. Just get some dresses. It's a whole outfit by itself. You can put some leggings under it or some tights under it, and then you have another outfit. So that's just one quick tip. So one of my favorite dresses that I did pick up, I did pick this up from Marshalls. Do not sleep on Marshalls, TJ Maxx, any of those stores. Those stores are really great for finding really affordable pieces and really nice quality pieces as well for an affordable price. So let me show you guys. This one right here is a recent pickup of mine. I'm obsessed with this dress. I think it is the cutest thing ever. It looks really pretty on, and I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just gorgeous. I'm loving the style of it. It's very flowy. It has like some like butterfly sleeves. I'm just into it. And this I picked up for like less than 20 bucks. So definitely don't sleep on dresses and do not sleep on Marshalls. Another dress from Marshalls is this one right here. This is a really cute dress. I also love dresses that have like padding, so I don't actually have to wear a bra. Of course, if you guys need more support, you can wear like a strapless bra or something else to keep them together. But my boobs are fairly small, so I don't have that issue. And I love this dress because it has pockets. I love dresses that have pockets on it. So this one is another one that I got from Marshalls. So another thing that I've been really into, and this is actually like within this week, I've been really getting into culotte jumpsuits. This one is one of my absolute favorites. I cannot wait to wear this. It has like a little tie front here, and it's elastic at the back. You do have to wear like a little strapless bra with this, but this one is just so pretty. I cannot wait to wear this. This is definitely something I would wear to like maybe a baby shower or like a brunch date, barbecue, anything you want to do during the summertime. This is really appropriate, and it's still like sexy and classy, but still super duper comfy. Another place that I shop at almost religiously is Forever 21. This dress I picked up and I was obsessed with it. I love little ruffles. I love cute little A-line dresses that kind of flare out at the ends. Those are my absolute favorites. This one is gorgeous. I love the pink. It's like a baby pink. It's so super cute. For me and my body type, I have a pear shape, so like my hips and my legs are a little bit bigger than my top. So that's why I like to do A-line dresses. It just really flatters my body well. And this one is just super duper cute. It's a little bit short, so I'd actually wear it with like maybe like a pair of tights, like little capri tights or something. Now, although I love dresses, I also really like t-shirts and little cutoff shorts. As I've gotten older, I don't really do the whole really short shorts, the pom-pom shorts or the booty shorts. I don't do them. I do like midi shorts and like Bermuda shorts, because for me personally, my age, I just feel like it's more appropriate. That's just me personally though. If you got a nice body, you want to flaunt it, do your thing. But for me, my body, just me, I choose not to, and I actually really just like this style in general. I really like the Bermuda shorts. I love the way they look, and I love the way they look with like cool, fun t-shirts like this. This one is a little bit out of the box for me, but I did buy it for Pride to do like a whole photo shoot with that. So I'm loving this. I would actually totally wear this like tied up at the bottom with some of those like shorts. So these are actually shorts from the Loft, and I don't know, for me, I think it just works well. It's just very flattering. I like the fact that it's not too short, and when I sit down, I'm not like getting stuck to, so you know, like when you sit down on like leather and stuff like that, you get stuck to it. It doesn't happen like that because this covers a large part of your leg. And I don't know, for me it's just appropriate. So this I got from TJ Maxx, and the brand is from the Loft, and I got it for $12.99. Literally, I'm like only shopping at TJ Maxx and Marshalls from now on because these prices, you cannot beat them. Of course, if I see a regular price thing in a name brand store, I'll get it if I really like it, but if I can get similar quality and similar styles at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, why not, right? So I would pair those with this, and I would tie this. Maybe I'd wear like a little bandeau under it, or like a bodysuit under it, like a sexy one, and just kind of like throw this over. I like that style. It's very casual, it's very chill, so that's just me. The next place that I like to shop at is Zara. You guys know when Zara has their sales, the entire store is ridiculous. But you do find some hidden gems. That's where I found these cuties from. This one is a gorgeous romper. It's like a baby doll romper, and it is high neck. It's so pretty. It's all in one. I cannot wait to wear this. It is so cute. It's 3/4 sleeves. It's like an eyelet print, and it's really nice and tropical. For me, I think I would like to wear this with like a nice cute green backdrop or something like that. Yes, I'm about it. Not into like sets, so I will often buy something and then separate it. This is one of those that I did buy and separate. This is a top from Zara. Sometimes for me, I don't like the fact that the top is like $40 and then the bottom is like $40. Like, I'm not about that. So pricing is one, and two, I like the top because you could do so many different things with it. And then of course if you buy the bottoms instead, you can do so many different things with the bottoms and wearing different tops. So I don't often buy sets because sometimes like the bottoms will be weird but the top will be super cute, or the top is super cute and the bottoms are super weird. So did I make sense? Or the bottoms are cute and then the tops are super weird. So in this case, I picked up the top because I figured with those same Bermuda pants, these would look so bomb. So I'm really excited about this one. I cannot wait to wear it. This one is kind of like off the shoulder a bit, so it fits a nice like sweetheart cut. And of course the little peplum. I like this because it adds more to my top. That way my hips on my top are a little bit more balanced. So I just mentioned that I like this top from that set, and I actually went to Rainbow, which I need to go on a whole tangent about. Let me show you guys the pants first. I picked up these shorts from Rainbow and I really like them. They're elastic at the back. They are plain right in the front, and in this case I did not like the top part of it, but the bottoms were really cute, and I can definitely pair this with a nice flowy white tank top or like a white bodysuit or something like that, and this would be perfect. So I'm obsessed with this. A lot of people have preconceived notions about Rainbow, but if you guys have been following along what's going on YouTube, literally Rainbow and Fashion Nova are practically the same thing. They have the same vendors, the same manufacturers, the same clothing items are in Rainbow for less the price than on Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova is charging like $20. You can literally get it at Rainbow for like $7.99. So I think that's crazy. I have yet to like search something. Like, I'm not gonna purchase it on Fashion Nova just to get it on Rainbow, but there are people that have been doing that, so it's actually really funny. So I've recently read that article, and I will link it down below if you guys want to read it yourselves, and the videos that I've seen. But girl, I am not paying $20 when I can literally get the same thing at Rainbow for less. A lot of times, like even from before, I used to be like, oh, Rainbow's so cheap, Rainbow's so this, Rainbow's so that. No, Rainbow has really cute stuff. That's where I got those pants from, and that's where I got this super cute peplum top from. I am obsessed with this. So I don't know if you guys know, but like if you guys follow me on Instagram, sometimes I'll share my haul with you guys, and I was talking about this along with some other blue stripe things, and I was literally saying that John's gonna leave me if I don't stop buying blue stripes. I'm obsessed with blue stripes. I also got this cute dress from Rainbow as well. I actually have like pants on underneath. So this actually has like a rounded bottom, and I love dresses that have a rounded bottom. They complement every body type well, and I don't know, I'm just like obsessed with it. Another place that I'm absolutely obsessed with is Old Navy. Old Navy has really great shorts. They actually have some really funny t-shirts. I'll show you guys the t-shirts that I actually picked up. So this t-shirt says, "Oh hey vacay," and I would love to wear this tied up in a knot right in the middle. The next top that I got from them says "Fiesta like there's no mañana," which is party like there's no tomorrow. So I'm obsessed with these. I think these are super cute. They fit really well and they're super duper comfy. And they're just really quick t-shirts to just pull on and have like a really cute outfit going on. Another store that I absolutely love shopping at is Kohl's. I picked up this super cute baby doll tank top from there, and this is from the brand Lauren Conrad. I love Elsie. She is so cute. I used to watch Laguna Beach. I don't know if you guys used to watch that, but I love her and I love her style, and I love that all of her items and all of the products that she designs are so freaking cute. So then I got some really cute tunic tops to wear with a lot of these shorts that I've been picking up. I got this really cute one from TJ Maxx. It just has like leaves on them, super cute. And this really cute, like, I don't know, classy kind of linen top. It has like lace detailing right here, a really nice cap sleeve, a little bit of a pleat, and it's very loose and airy and flowy, and I like this. You can really dress this up nicely with a nice pair of like black jeans and some heels. Like nice curled hair or something. That's most likely how I would wear it. This was $12.99, and this one, which is a Cynthia Rowley, was, what's the price on here? $16.99. Like, these are steals and these are brand names, so I'm just really happy with all my purchases. So fruit clothes has been a thing recently, so I definitely have a couple of those. I have some really cute lemons. I love lemon water. I can't wait to do photo shoots with these. These are really cute outfits to like take pictures in. You know, we are in the Instagram age. We are always taking pictures, always like trying to find like a really good shot. I was just trying to find some cute clothing to like take pictures in. So this one was definitely one of them. I got this at TJ Maxx for $12.99. Such a steal. And then for like novelty or fun clothing, Forever 21 is absolutely the place to be. So I went ahead and I picked up this gorgeous little cherry dress. It has like a little crisscross at the back of it. When it's on your body, it looks really, really nice. And of course, is it even summer if you don't have some pineapples in your life? This one is a really cute off-the-shoulder dress from Forever 21. I love it. It has really cute ruffles. It's just really nice and flowy. It's like a shift dress. So for me personally, I love wearing dresses because it's so easy, it's so breezy, and you don't have to worry about a thing. And these ones actually hide your curves because they are shift dresses. So if you are a little bit pudgy some places, you don't have to worry about it. It's just all covered up. So yeah, those are pretty much the things that I am going to be taking, like my fun, exciting pieces. The rest of the things are just like jeans, like occasional like crop tops and stuff like that. I got these crop tops from Forever 21. There's a lot of different colors. If you go on like the Forever 21 basics section, you can find everything. Literally, if you're going on vacation, just go on the Forever 21 website and just add to your cart. They have everything at Forever 21 and H&M as well. This summer I treated myself to new bathing suits. So I don't always buy bathing suits. I will occasionally buy 2 or 3 every now and then. I actually picked these up from Forever 21. This is a one piece. My body is just not 2-piece ready. One pieces have been literally coming in clutch. I got this one. It is a really nice like yellow mustardy type of color. Not really mustard, but like just like a real true like cheese bus yellow. That's what it is, a cheese bus yellow. But when I style that with like a nice little cover up, it's gonna look so cute. Then the next piece that I did get was from Forever 21, and it's just this one. I love this. It looks so sexy on it. This one is really nice. It has like mesh and it has like fishnets. I like the back because it's all like crisscrossed. And this also is a one piece, and it has really like a cute little mesh lining right at the bottom, so it just looks really nice on the body. I will for sure be posting pictures with all of these outfits throughout the summer and throughout my trip, so you guys will for sure be seeing them. So yeah, for the most part, that's everything. The rest of the things are just kind of like basic, like one-off kind of things, crop tops, nothing important. These are like my main pieces, and I am so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see the pictures of these outfits. Wait, I am going for a whole month, so it's like gonna be fun to like have like photo shoots and props and this and that. So I'm like really excited about it. I cannot wait. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Reesiibabe, to see all of my posts and all my fashion posts. I will be posting like random other things along the way as well. But if you guys are interested in my style and my fashion, go ahead and follow me. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this, then definitely give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what your favorite piece was that I showed. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys in another video. See you later. Bye.